Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my little bubble tea microphone with me, which can only mean one thing. It is time for yet another not so monthly makes video where I showcase all of the things that I have been crocheting in the most recent months. This time I actually have some pretty cool stuff to share with you guys. And one thing I do want to point out is that I've kind of reached a point in my crochet journey where I'm making a whole lot of stuff and it's getting to be like a bit too much for me to keep all for myself. So I think I'm going to open up an Etsy so I can get some of these things off my hands. So if anybody wants some of the stuff that you see in this video and videos to come, I'll have the information in the description. I can't keep everything. As much as I would love to keep all the stuff that I've made and that I am making and that I will make in the future, it's just not realistic. I don't have that much space in my closet. So I'm going to share them with you guys, and hopefully you guys will enjoy them just as much, if not more, than what I currently do. And I have them all in this very big bag here. So let's go ahead and get on into the stuff. So the first thing I have here is this very cute little crocheted collar. I've made one of these in the past. I really loved it. I knew that I wanted to make more, but I just never got around to it. And that was because I knew that the next one I made, I wanted to do a tutorial for. Hopefully that tutorial is up by the time you see this video. It should be. It should. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. If it is, I'll have information in the description or in one of the little taggy things up above. You can click on that and take a look at that after you finish watching this video, of course. I knew I was going to want to make more of them because to me, they just seem like the perfect little accessory for fall outfits. Like you can put over a top, you can put over a sweater, you can put over a jacket, you can put over a dress, you can put it over literally anything you want. And I just love that I played around with so many different colors to make it because this one just feels so fall. Whereas the first one I made, I don't know what it kind of gives off vibe-wise. It's cute, but this one to me really reads like fall kind of vibes. So I'm really happy that I made this one, and I'm really excited to incorporate this into my wardrobe because I think it is so snazzy. Next up, I have a few scrunchies. I've actually made quite a few of them just because I needed to get back to my roots and do some stuff that was easy and gonna bring me peace of mind. So I've been making a whole lot more scrunchies. These definitely will be up on the Etsy because I don't need this many scrunchies, but they're super cute. I have a lot of really pretty color patterns and stuff that I've been doing for these. This isn't all of them, but it's just a few. Get a good look. I love these colors so much. They're a lot of fun, and I do have a tutorial up for this as well. If you have not already seen it, go ahead and check it out. You can make one yourself. I think it's a really fun little pastime project to do because it doesn't take up too much time, doesn't require you having the biggest skill level or anything like that. And I don't know, they're kind of practical. So really love my scrunchies. So I made a few more of those. And I also have been making a couple of hats. Now these I'm definitely going to give away. I'm not going to keep any of these. Oh no, I'm not missing a hat. I have it right here. I'm not going to be keeping these hats for myself. I have the very first one that I made, and that one's, enough for me, but I do really enjoy making these hats. So I have some really cool little mesh hats. This one's got, I don't know, it's got cool beads on it. I have a variety of them. So I have these two silver ones that I just absolutely love, and I love the little beading. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll make sure I have pictures of that, showcase these things a little bit better than what I'm doing here now. But I have those. I also wanted to switch it up color wise, and I made one that was this really pretty maroonish-y burgundy color, and it has a bit more of a boho vibe because of these little dangly things on it. I really like those. And then I also have a tutorial up on how you can make a hat like that. And then I have yet another tutorial up for this other hat, and I made a few. I don't know where. Okay, I thought I had it with me, but maybe I don't. But I have this red one, and it's got these little blue heart beads on it. Very cute. I have another one of these. I made one in the past. I'm actually going to be making a tutorial on this hat at some point. I just have to remember like exactly what I did, and for some reason I didn't write down how to do it, so I have to, like actually go back and redo everything and try to teach myself how to make the crap I've made myself all over again. But anyhow, so I have this hat, and you can't really see, but it's got like cute little bows on it, and it's like this mesh pattern. And then my favorite black hat that I've done, which I don't know where it disappeared to, but I've made these black little like beanie cap things, and I put grommets along the bottom, and I just thought that was like a really cool little like edgy vibe. So yeah, those are some of my favorites, but I'm not going to be keeping those, so you can have them. Next, I have this top, which I made in black, but I wanted to make it in a lighter color as well, just because I thought that the pattern would show up a little bit better. Oh God, I love this top so much. I'm not going to keep this one because I do have it in black. I don't need to have it in like every color imaginable, but I do have some ideas on how I might want to alter this to get another type of look out. I will put, yeah, it doesn't look good when I hold it up like this because you can't really see like how it looks on. It just looks like a tube. But I promise it doesn't look like a tube when you have it on. It's actually really pretty, and it's this like, what do they call this? I don't know what you call this stitch, but it's the like little flower decal kind of motif-esque kind of a vibe, and I think it is so cute. Definitely better for like warmer weather, but I don't know. I kind of have like this thing. I think something's just whatever in my brain where I really seem to like crocheting summer stuff in the winter and then winter stuff in the summer, which is not necessarily like a bad thing, but by the time I get around to the season, I don't really kind of want to like wear it anymore. I've like moved on. I've graduated to something else, but I don't think I'm gonna get tired of this top. But then I got into this little craze over summer of like crocheted like ruffle shorts, or not even crocheted ones. I just really liked ruffle shorts. I thought they were so stinking cute that I had on my list of like things to make for several months. I was like, oh, I'm gonna make these. But there was a part of me that was still holding back because I was like, ooh, I don't necessarily know what that's going to look like if it's crocheted. I saw a couple of photos of other people's like crocheted, and not that they were ugly, but they just didn't look too like practical for my life or my sense of style. So I was like, maybe I shouldn't. But then I just went ahead and was like, what the heck? I'm just going to do it. And I'm actually really happy I did. I love these shorts. When I first finished them, I did not like them, but now I'm in love. I love them so much. The color is so pretty. It's this really like rich, vibrant brown. And originally when I did it, there were a whole lot more ruffles. So like in between every single one of these ruffles, I had like another set of ruffles, and it was just too ruffly at that point, and it was very unattractive and not cute, and it just looked like I was wearing a very poofy diaper. But took away a couple of those ruffle layers, and this is the end product, and I'm so happy with it. I think it's so beautiful. Maybe one day I will get around to doing a tutorial for these. If not like ruffle shorts, because I don't know how much longer people are going to want ruffle shorts. I'll at least do some tutorial on like how I make my shorts, because I think these are actually like really stinking cool. But I made my ruffle shorts, and I will be wearing those a lot. I also made these pair of, I don't know, are these shorts or like jorts? No, they're not jorts. Jorts have to be jeans. But they're these like longer shorts. They're 2 granny squares. I will be doing a like tutorial or like a guide on how you can make these yourself, but I think they're just so much fun and they're kind of big. I didn't mean to make them this big, but I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just freehanding. I freehand everything, but I was just freehanding it, trying to figure out like, I don't know what to do. I kind of knew like the vibe of what I was going for, but I didn't really know exactly how it was going to work out. But I do think they came out really pretty. I think they look very like professional. I don't know. I mean, I think all my stuff looks very professional, not to like toot my own horn or anything, but I do try to put a lot of care in the stuff that I'm making because I don't want to wear anything that looks too much like an arts and craft project. Ooh, that sounds kind of bad, but I want it to actually look like a good solid piece of clothing that will stand the test of time. I don't want it to look like I just whipped it up because I really do try to put a lot of care in the stuff that I make. So I made these shorts. I really do want to make a few more. Like I think it would look cute and maybe I don't know. Like I thought, oh, okay. Oh, wait, that'd be cute. I should probably do this in the same color that I did my ruffle shorts for. But I'd probably make them shorter and a little bit smaller because these are like pretty big and baggy. But I think that would be really cute. I also think doing them in like more vibrant colors, like a really rich red or like a navy blue or something, like that could be really pretty, but not yet. I have too many other things that I need to make. So, all right. So I know I'm literally like on video saying that I hate crochet swimsuits and they're impractical and like I'm never gonna wear them and I'm probably not gonna make one ever again. Yeah, I know I've said that, and what? Sue me. You know what? I don't care because I made this swimsuit and I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. Do I still think it's practical to wear? No, not at all. I would not wear this in any body of water, but I do think it's so pretty and it's very tangled up. So, oh well. But it's this really lovely, like soft, I don't know how to describe this shade of green, but it's so pretty. It didn't take me long to make at all. It was a very fast project to do. And I just think the end result of it is just so lovely and it's so cute. And it's like, it's kind of sexy, kind of scandalous, but you know, sometimes you just gotta play around and have some fun. This swimsuit makes me want to work out again and like be in shape and look my best and just serve all of the looks. Dang, I don't know. It's just so cute. And one thing, oh my gosh, yes, I do have it in here. Okay, so I really love this swimsuit. I have nothing else to say about that. Next up is this pair of swimsuit bottoms, or this swimsuit bottom. What is English? I don't know. But this is actually so hilarious to me. And it kind of, okay. This kind of looks like a diaper, and I have to redo this because I don't like how it looks right now. But I take dance classes, and one of my dance partners had requested that I make him a pair of swimsuit bottoms for like some little trip or whatever he's going to be going on in spring. And he specifically wanted them in the pattern that I did like this top for. He was like, I want you to do exactly what you did here, but I want like the swimsuit bottoms to be like the string ties. So I've been playing around trying to figure out how to do that. And this, it looks really weird, but this is what I came up with. Not the best. I can do better. It really looks like a diaper. I have to do these over again, but I don't know. I think him requesting this of me was like kind of a moment. At first I was like, why would you want a swimsuit with this pattern? Like, it's a granny stitch, like there's bunches of holes and stuff in it, and I am gonna have to put a lining in it and all that mess. But now that I kind of see conceptually like what it has potentially, I'm like, oh, you know what, this is actually kind of cute. And after I fix this hot mess and give it to him, I might just make one for myself because I think he was on to something with this one. The execution was not there. I've got some work to do, but I do think that there's some potential there. And then last up, I made 2 sweaters. This first one, they're actually like kind of the same sweater. They're a little bit different, but I have this navy blue sweater, and then I also have a like a purplish kind of colored one. I am in the middle of working on a tutorial for both of these sweaters, and what I just love about it is that I did an open back for it, and the back has a little, what do you call this? I don't know. It's like, I don't know. It opens up, and then there's a tie that you can tie in the back, so you know your back isn't just out there and open and totally exposed to all passerbys. It's a lot of fun. The burgundy, purple, whatever kind of color, wine red. No, it's not a wine red. I don't know what the heck that color is, but the other one that I made, it has like these like, oh my god, can I speak? What do you call this stuff? I don't know, but like the sleeves like fan out and or flare out, and I think it's really cute. Yeah. I really have been loving open back everything, dresses, tops, sweaters, you know, you name it, I probably love it. I think it's so pretty. I think it's such an elegant and classy little like addition to a piece of clothing. Probably not the warmest thing to have going into the winter season, but it looks really cute. And I mean, you can always stick a top under it. Now, I think having your like bare back exposed is the cutest way to wear it, but sometimes the weather doesn't permit that. But anywho, those are all the things that I have been making in the past, I think it's really only been about like 2.5 months, maybe. I don't know. My sense of time is just like not there. Like I really don't have a good grasp on time. But these are the things that I have been most recently making. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you want some of these pieces yourselves, like I mentioned, I will have an Etsy up so you guys can get your hands on some of these, and please take them out of my possession because I cannot keep them all for myself, unfortunately. I have lots of tutorials that I'm in the midst of working on. I've got a lot of things lined up. I know I'm like unbelievably slow when it comes to editing and getting things uploaded. Sorry, like it's a process. It really takes me a minute because I like have to be in a mood to edit, and I have to really be in a whole different mood and like mindset to do a tutorial and then edit it. Like, ugh, that's a lot of work. Like, let's just have like not a moment of silence, but let's just take our caps off and just pay our respects to all of the individuals who solely do YouTube like crochet tutorials, because it is not easy. And if you're making a pattern on top of it, like seriously, God bless you. I don't know how you guys do it. I wish I could be one of those girlies. I would like to be one of those girlies, like one day, hopefully, maybe, kind of, sort of, I don't know. But ugh, it's a lot. It is a lot. Some of the stuff that I've made within this batch, as well as the last batch of my little monthly makes projects, I did do a little styling video for, so if you'd like to see how I've styled some of the pieces that I have been making, you can check that video out. I've surpassed 5,000 subscribers, so thank you all for that. Much appreciated, truly. For those of you who have joined me at the beginning of my crochet journey, I just want to say thank you for sticking along. And for those of you who are new, hi, hello, welcome. I am a hot mess, but I'm going to try my best to be less of a hot mess as we go into 2025. I promise. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe. Take your vitamins. Don't get sick. And I will see you guys soon with another one. Bye, guys.